Shelly. I kind of been procrastinating this since I did the other bathroom. And it still looks like this. All right, yeah. Okay, so I am decluttering under my bathroom sink here, my master bathroom sink. I did the guest bathroom sink the other, what is it, like a week and a half ago? Not really sure. Anyway, but this kind of goes in conjunction with that because I'm using that bathroom now, just because I'm weird. Anyway, so I brought some of the stuff that was over there in here to figure out what to do with or to get rid of it. So I have the sink here, and I need to turn the camera around and show you. So this is a collaboration with Karen at This Made Her Mom. So make sure you go watch her. She has been decluttering her house a lot. She's decluttering her basement. I believe she's going to be moving soon. Well, maybe not anytime soon, but soon. Sometime in the future, she's going to be moving, so she's trying to declutter her whole house. And she's going around each room, and she's even moving rooms around. She moved her son into another room, and she moved into her son's room, her and her husband. Anyway, lots of decluttering going on her channel. So you want to go over, and you want to subscribe to her channel, because I said so. Anyway, so let me turn the camera around and show you what I have, and yeah. First, I need my handy dandy stool, because, you know, this girl don't bend well. So here we go. So I don't need my whole cleaning cart, but I do need a cleaner and a rag. I'm going to grab this cleaner, like 7th generation, and I'm going to grab my handy dandy handheld shark vacuum. Okay, so once this is a situation here, so this is all the stuff that I took out of my guest bathroom. Yeah, I think I just need to get rid of this, but I don't know. I'm kind of not ready to, so we'll see. This needs to be put under here. I don't know that. I might have to put some here and somewhere else. So this is the situation. So here. So I have, okay, so I used to have 2 more of those things over here on this side. I got rid of them because I didn't need all that storage. I don't know if I'm going to do anything with that today because I don't have, there's not a whole lot of stuff in there. And like deodorant, like that's toothpaste, that's extra toothpaste. And some of that needs relabeled, and I don't even know if I need to store it like that anymore, but I'm not sure I'm going to do that. So I know this is not under the sink, but this is near the sink. Okay, so, and there's stuff, it doesn't usually look like that, but I just shoved stuff in there because of containers I thought I might use for this. So I bought these new containers here, and that can probably go in the other bathroom. So this is shampoo and conditioners. Oh my gosh. You see? Yeah. And then this is wipes, these makeup things, because they came in this huge package. Maybe I could put those, because I don't do makeup in here. Maybe I could put those in my other room where my vanity is, my craft room. And then this is all travel stuff and a travel kit and an extra basket. And this is, oh, look at that. So, all right, I should just get started. So, and there's just stuff I forgot about in here. So, yeah, and then I don't really need to do anything in here. This I had did a while ago. That too was in a video. I don't know, I'll try to link it. It was at least a year ago, if not 2. So there's not really a whole lot to do here. And the same with that. I might need to straighten it up just a little bit. And yeah, so one, I know I can get rid of this. I don't use this anymore. I have a mirror in my craft room on my vanity, and yeah, and then These can go. I don't know why those are in there. And then this goes to my hairdryer. And I use my hairdryer in the, I don't even use these, in the other bathroom. Do I need to keep them? I've never used them. And this is like empty. And lotion. I have a spot for all my lotions, and that, I don't know. I don't really use that anymore. Oh, I have some hair coloring, which I forgot I had, so maybe I'll use that. Does this stuff expire even? Like, I don't even know. So I really need to clean this surface off so I can go ahead and put some of this stuff up there. Okay, so the lotion and stuff I have beside my bedside table, so you should really put things where you use them. So I use them at night before I go to bed. I use that pet egg thing on my feet and put the lotion on. So that's going by my bedside table. Put that there. This needs cleaned out, and I don't even know if I'm going to reuse that. Ew, that's gross. And I'm just setting this up here. I only bought 3. I'm not really sure why, but 3 don't fit here, so it's gonna have to be 2 and 2. Yeah. And then this is a heating pad. That's so ancient, but hey, I don't know. I'm keeping that. I don't want to do this. Oh, here's some more lotion. So that can go under my, what do you call it? And then this can go under by my bedside table too, because that's for my feet. And then I have this water pick that I never use. But yeah, I think I'm going to keep it. All right, so let's see. So I don't know what I'm doing with that. I'll just go ahead and put the water pick here, and then I have to clean all these shelves too. So I'm not going to go through this because we haven't been traveling, and I'll wait. So I have all of the travel stuff here, and then this is one of those bags. I love this thing. I got it at Target, where you hang it up, and it has all the stuff in it. I'm not going to go through that. If we start traveling, I'll go through it then, because I just don't feel like it. I think that's good enough, and that looks good. So I don't have a spot for that. Am I getting rid of it, or am I not? That is gonna go in the other, no, I'm gonna keep that in this bathroom because sometimes I need it in here too. I don't know, there's just like this little bit of baby oil left in there. So it's just good to go through your stuff often because sometimes you forget what you have. Look, I got 1, 2, 3 deodorants. I don't think I'll be needing any deodorant anytime soon. And to be honest with you, I don't use it around the house. I just use it when I go out. Yeah, and yeah. I should take everything out and clean it. Same with this, so I put some of the wipes in here and rearrange this a little bit. These are facial masks and stuff, hair stuff, hair clips. Here is that hair dye and some wipes and one of these thermal things for your back. And then here is Epsom salts, some cream, some aloe vera, some baby oil. So that'll work there. I don't know if I'll need to get another one of those. Okay, over here, I just need to put this toilet paper away, and some of it needs to go over in hubby's area. I need to put away those things here I pulled out of the other bathroom. My son had left them here. My husband can go ahead and use those. So I'm going to put them under his sink. Okay, so I found cotton balls and those makeup round things. So I can put them in there and use that for something else. I have enough of these to last a lifetime. You know what I do with these also, not just for makeup, but I also put some essential oils in them, on them, and put them in your dresser drawer to make your drawer smells nice. So that's something you can use them for. I have cotton balls and Q-tips in those. So that's full. I don't need to refill. I don't think I have, do I have any Q-tips left? So, yeah, so this needs to be relabeled. This is extra toothpaste, first aid items, which I do have Band-Aids, but I don't, yeah, I feel like, just in case. Anyway, so, I definitely need to relabel all this. So, yeah. And then this is all, well, this is gonna be extra. I do end up reusing these things sometimes. I got the toilet paper in there, and I think I'm gonna save that for another project because I think I'm gonna get rid of those drawers. I don't know, I'm always on the fence on that. We'll see. I don't access them a lot. And sometimes I forget. Well, for one, that's labeled deodorant. I need to relabel things. And it's toothpaste. And then I'll buy more toothpaste and I forgot, oh yeah, I got a stock of toothpaste in there. Maybe I should put one of those in the other bathroom. Yeah. And yeah. Okay, I rearranged some things. So now this is able to be in there. So that's good. So I could put one more there if I even need it. We shall see. Up here I just have like the stuff that I'm currently using. Also too, and it's too much. If I have, if I put these down below, I could put them in the drawer, some of it. I will forget about them. So now this is lotion. That doesn't need, that can go with all my lotion. I have a ton of lotion. Is that ridiculous or what? So, I'll leave my facial cream here because sometimes I do wash my face in here. Sometimes I wash it in the other room. This can go in here. That's Body Glide for, put on your legs, you know, so I don't rub, your thighs don't rub together. Mostly I use that for when I'm going on a bike ride, yeah.
We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Crashing down in a rocket, our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners. We keep pushing more and more. I don't wanna go.
Okay, done. So, and I've already gone through this many, many times. So this is just Tidy and Reorganize. This is my Tidy and Reorganize series for 2020-21. 2020-21. Anyway, so there's a playlist down below if you want to check that out, where I'm going around the house to areas that I've already decluttered heavily and just going through that. You buy stuff, you need to go through it. And so it really wasn't even that dirty. So I did not, you can tell I'm not really in the mood for doing this. So I did not clean those shelves or inside there. I will do that another day. So, you know, I don't do Fly Lady, but I do a zone cleaning called One and Done Cleaning Routine. I have a free printable if you want to, and a playlist if you want to watch that. So, you know, Fly Ladies, it's supposed to be 15 minutes. Don't know how long that was. I'm sure it was more than 15 minutes. But that's enough. I can finish it another day. I mean, my mind wants me to do it all, but I'm going to stop doing that. So that's good enough. And then I still have this mess to clean up. So I was going to do hubby's area too, but that's not happening. So yeah, and then yeah, Ginger called me out in the last video. She's like, fix that thing. I know, it's been like that for 3 years. I have to buy the clips and yeah, so I'm waiting for those to come in. Order. Actually, I didn't order them yet. Anyway, so hubby's area will need to be straightened. It's not that bad, but yeah, so that, that's not, these 2 drawers aren't too bad. Yeah, so I need to do that, and I need to put that toilet paper in there. And then the other thing I might go ahead and do is reorganize this closet. There's that panel that goes there. The clip broke on it, so I'm not finding that exact clip on Amazon. That's the problem. I'll just have to maybe buy some other ones. Anyway, so this laundry basket is going bye-bye because we don't use it. Well, one, there's stuff on top of it. And I'm going to put the shelves back in there. We took the shelves out to put the laundry basket in here, but since last year we were having a bug problem, and I don't know, we just started putting the laundry straight into the laundry room instead of in here. And y'all know, if you follow me for any length of time, it all ends up in the chair in the master bedroom. Then it ends up in the laundry basket. So that's my laundry basket, my chair. So, but I clean it daily. So, well, maybe every other day, or maybe every 3 days. Anyway, so we don't need that anymore. So I'm going to get rid of that. Maybe my niece Amy could use that for the girls in their room. We shall see. Yeah, and then I'll have to put the shelf back, one of these shelves, I think, in the garage. You can see the holes there, and put that back in there and use that space for some other kind of storage. I might be able to store that in there, because I don't think I'm getting rid of it. And there's something ooey in there. I need to clean that. And maybe extra toilet paper I can stock up on. Yeah, I only buy toilet paper like twice a year, and I stock up and put it under all the sinks. So, and then I don't have to worry about it the rest of the year. I'm actually having a good hair day, y'all. So anyway, so I deep conditioned my hair last night. Not with my hair mask. I have that on order on Amazon. My hair crack. Anyway, so don't forget to check out Karen's channel and her video for this collab. And you know what? D. So funny. The day I posted my, D from DLoveYouLife. The day I posted my, so D posted a video under her guest bathroom sink too. So I'll link that also. You can watch that. Karen will be in the end screen, her face. Just click on it and go to her channel. And also the link will be in the description of her video. So I have to do the hubbies under the sink, and also I will need to do under the sink in the kitchen. It's a mess. Yes. So stay tuned for that. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day. And a little behind the scenes mess that I'm leaving right now because I need to go edit my video because I need to put it up in like a couple hours, and I procrastinated doing it, so that mess is going to stay there. Okay, you know the drill, but first click on Karen's face right there and subscribe to her channel and let her know that you came on over from my channel. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.